Hello, this is the sound check. Hello, this is the sound check. Hello, today we have another session with WebXR and animation in the browser and also in the Oculus Quest 2. So last time we had a dance demo. So it started with early on it started with this one, and following to that we there was a VRM model animation. So that is using a anime character from the 3VRM project. So this one is also interacting with hand gestures. Let's try this one. Yes, it's reacting. So this is a programmatic animation with moving the arm and blinking the eye, and the head is nodding. Following to that, we had another demo with the VRM model using BVH animation. BVH, that is BioVision hierarchy. That is widely used for animating characters. So in this demo we have used BVH files from the collection from originally from where is it? This page is completely covered. Let's come on. Yeah, the CMU capture database, and we have used two data sets with a complete collection of Salsa sequences. If you scroll down, yes, so there are 15 different recordings for two characters. So some of them have a few issues with strange disruptions in the moves, but it's still quite good quality. It's recorded also at that time with 120 frames per second, so that's exactly what is currently technically possible in the Quest 2. That is currently in beta. So let's see the demo for that. The latest demo is using two models. Wait, error creating. Well, let's refresh this one. Okay, it's loading. Starting the animation. So I disabled the music, otherwise I cannot record my voice through it. So this is playing in a bar scene. The low poly bar model. It's now continuing with the second move. It's actually replaying in slow motion. I think it's almost twice as slow as the original speed. So in the previous demo it was at full speed. So there are a few quirks in the moves, but the quality is still good. Actually, they're always looking at this side to see if they have to continue or not. Yeah. See, just checking the camera. Oh, at some point they also start laughing. Let's pause the video. Yes, they are now playing. Oh my God, they're playing now sequence 8, which is a bit messy in the recording, but let's see what happens at the end. Nice turns. Ah, yeah. This is funny. For the next demo, we will use Blender to do some editing from the VRM model that we have. We need the hands to be separate objects and the shoes to be separate objects, so that we can use them to indicate next moves in the demo. So let's see if we can, if we have the VRM import add-on that is available on GitHub. It's over here, and you can download it and follow the instructions. Then you should be able to import the VRM model with the menu option over here, file import. Yes, it's available over here, and let's do that. Let's try to select the hand vertices and faces and edges. So I will make first a vertices selection over here, and then I will switch the view to the bottom view and also select that part with the shift edit. Okay, and then I also see the I need to select faces over here. Okay, yes, and switch back again. Right, the edge fields. Okay, I don't want to have this part over here, so I will deselect it. Wait, maybe I can do that with Control numpad minus. Yes. Or maybe that is standing in the way. Oh. Delete. Okay, because I don't need it to get the hand model. Let's try again to switch to edit mode. Yeah, and do I already have this extra object? No. Okay, let's select again. Right, Control plus, switch to view. Oh, Okay, select over here with shift, Ctrl plus. Nice. Yes, that one is also easy. Oh wait, Ctrl Z. Yeah, so here is still a face missing. Then when I say Ctrl plus, it's selected. Switch back to the front, to top view. Oh, what happened here? Okay, Ctrl plus. Yes, I will check it with Shift T. That looks okay. Escape. And now I will try to separate this selection. Let's see what happens if I go back to object mode and grab this one. It looks to be okay. Yeah. So it seems to be a separate hand at the moment. And I can use that one to export or save as a left hand. Oh, first I need to edit a bit more. Delete. Yep. All right, and then I can grab this part. Actually, let's switch to edit modes because I want to close this part over here. Let's switch to the, oh wait, still that part. Switch to object modes, remove that one. Okay, then switch back. Yes, I want to close this remaining part here, and that I can do with Alt Shift select edge. Oh well, I have to go to edge select, of course. Edge select, Alt Shift. What? Alt Shift. Yes, this is Alt Shift to select the circle, loop circle, edge loop, and I can then say that I want to make a convex hull. Yep, that's it. So we can use this as a left-hand model. Object, so with tab we select the go to object mode, and then I click it, and I will say set origin to geometry, set to object's origin. Set origin to yeah, okay, and please origin to center of mass. What? Volume? What? There are different types. This looks nice. And selection to curve. Why? Ah, this is selection to cursor, look at it. Then I can say dot, and we're here. This is great. Let's save this as the left hand. Let's try to do the same process now for the left shoe. We will try to make a selection of the left shoe that is also from the original VRM model. Okay, we can change the perspective from the top. I can also use Control 7 or 7. I want to actually rotate, so I can use Control or no Shift 6. Yes. And actually can just switch to edit mode, like with the tab, and select all these vertices, and I will check the bottom part. Also select from here with Shift. That seems to be selected. Okay, maybe I use Control Plus also for that. Yes, there are some extra pieces. So everything's selected now, and then I can again try to separate this selection, and that will actually make a new object. And I will remove the right shoe. Let's try to select this part and say all with A and delete. Let's say edges and faces. Okay, there's still a lot of vertices left, so I say A again, delete. Seems to be removed now. Yes. Then I grab this part. Okay, switch to object mode, tab, and G for grab, and I place it over here. Let's switch to the focus view. Okay, let's move it. G, put it on the floor. Okay. Yes. This looks okay. Then we can save it as the left shoe. So when we export this model, then we need to also save this texture mapping over here, and we can do that in the UV editing tab, where there is this image option, and we can save this image, and then we can use it in our 3ds scene to apply this texture to the shoe. So that's all the Blender work we had to do to get the right models for our session in 3ds, and we will continue with that. So we are now back in the development environment where we program the 3ds scene. We have a builder method for that. This is for a new demo where we will use the created models and for the shoes and the hands, and use that to follow along with the animations that we had in the earlier demos. Let's zoom in on this load shoes method. There you can see that we load the shoes texture that we exported from Blender, and also the GLB model that was also previously exported from Blender, and then we combine these and add it to the 3ds scene in this method. Let's see how that looks at the moment. Yes, this is for the right shoe. That is currently displaying correctly in the 3ds scene. Now we want the shoe to follow the steps of the first person dancer, and we can do that with this right foot field that is following the moves and the rotations from the right foot, and now that will be visible in the demo. So I can switch to the new demo link here, and then the shoe is placed on the right foot position, and here it will follow the steps. Yes. Okay, so we can do this also for the left foot and the hands. Let's do that. Yes, I've added the hands and the shoes now all to the scene, and they are moving according to the animations quite nicely. So let's see how this will look inside the Oculus Quest. I'm curious right now. Okay, some moves are still quirky, but oh yeah, they are laughing again, you see. So this is recorded inside the Quest. I have recorded it with the browser, and then let me play it, the video. So this is how it looks from inside the Quest. So of course this is placed in very slow motion. So you can use it for some training, and I hope you like this video. So this is from all the way from making the models and importing it into the 3ds scene, all the Blender models, and then finally using WebXR play it in the Quest. So that's it, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.